any time that you need to send me back a Google slide, there are a couple of things that you need to do. So the first thing is you need to share. And when you have this share, you're going to type my name. And you're going to type my name. You're going to make sure that this is editor. There are three choices: viewer, commenter, and editor. I need to be the editor. That way I can put your grades on your assignment. Okay? And then you can send. So you will send it to me. Okay, the other thing you're going to do is you're going to copy link. Oops, sorry. You're going to get link. You're going to copy link. And when you submit your assignment, you are going to paste this, and it should be a purplish blue wording in your assignment. So, two things. First, you have to share it. That just means I can write on it. Then you need to copy. The second thing is you have to copy and paste the link. That's what allows me to access it. And then you need to, third thing is you need to submit the assignment.